Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Luckily for them, they got some really nice weather yesterday for all of those outdoor activities, and hopefully when they're packing up today, they can kind of miss some of the rain that's on the way. We're staying dry through till maybe about 9-10 o'clock this morning, and then the closer to the coast you get, the earlier that start time for the rain. We're taking a look outside right now, just very gray and gloomy. We have some really dense clouds just already camped out over our region. The clouds are going to stick around all the way through the rest of the day today, all of your Monday, and even into the start of your Tuesday. So get used to the cloudy weather for the next couple of days. Good news is the rain, that'll kind of come and go over the next 48 hours. Temperatures right now, 50 degrees for Westerly and Providence, 53 for Newport, 50 for New Bedford. So if there's one good thing about the cloud coverage, it's that it kept us pretty mild overnight tonight. So we're starting off kind of above average. Unfortunately, though, it's going to do the opposite later this afternoon, keeping us cooler with those temperatures struggling to get to about 60 degrees. Visibility right now looks pretty good, but as we see that moisture kind of lift up across our area, we'll see those dew points pick up, and so fog will be a concern not only later this morning, but even throughout the day today, and then of course poor visibility when there's actually some active rain showers. Satellite radar right now, already a little bit of that rain kind of moving towards Nantucket and kind of towards the Cape. The Vineyards are going to see some rain showers relatively soon, but you can see everybody else is still dry, so you can leave the rain gear off for right now, but keep it on hand. Take it with you as you're leaving the house today because you will be needing it. Look at all that heavy rain that's just going to start to kind of lift up to the north and eventually kind of march across our area. So here's the setup. Like I said, through till about 8-9 o'clock this morning, you're still dry, but by about 10 o'clock, we start to see portions of southeastern Mass and some of those coastal areas start to see that shower activity, and then it slowly just works its way further inland. So everyone is seeing a chance for some rain. It's going to be cloudy, cool, like I said, those extra clouds blocking out the sun, keeping us below average. Most of the area will be looking mostly in the upper 50s. A few spots will be just lucky enough to see about 60 degrees, so a lot cooler out there compared to what we were seeing yesterday, where it was almost the opposite. We were almost to about 70 degrees. Here's a look at that hour-by-hour forecast. If we set it into motion, you can see, like I mentioned, the showers really kind of start just along the Cape and islands, and then all of this starts to lift up to the north. If you move a little bit further to the west, portions of Connecticut are going to be dry, but Rhode Island, Southeast Mass looking like they're going to see a good soaking. The rain does kind of taper off, specifically overnight tonight. Still stays very cloudy, but the rain showers themselves, they kind of stop just briefly, and then by tomorrow morning we're seeing another round of activity. The low pressure itself will start to lift across our area, giving us that rain for your Monday morning, and then Monday afternoon, kind of more scattered activity, and then by Tuesday, hopefully we'll start to dry out. Bay forecast, it's just not a great opportunity to get out on the boat. Not only is it going to be kind of cloudy and soggy with the rain kind of moving across our area, but we also have a small craft advisory. Those waves are going to be a little bit higher. The advisory is for in the bay as well as the open water, so do keep that in mind if you have one of those smaller vessels. 7-day forecast. Tuesday, we see the return of some sunshine. Wednesday, not too bad, but really the pick of the week, that's going to be Thursday or Friday. A lot more sunshine out there. Temperature is going to be back up in the upper 60s and then mid 60s next weekend. More showers on the way and a big cool down back up into the 50s for your highs. You can head over to our website, that's WPRI.com. We've got the full 7-day forecast over there. You can check it out anytime you like.